How to fix iPhone keyboard sound too loud. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix iPhone keyboard sound too loud. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your iPhone settings and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on sounds and haptics. Over here, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom again and click on headphone safety. Over here, you're going to click on reduce loud sound. Simply toggle this button on and you're going to make sure to take the slider to 75 or 80 decibels. Now you're going to check if this solves the issue. If this doesn't still solve your issue, you're going to head over back to sounds and haptics, but this time you're going to click on keyboard feedback. Click on it and then you're going to turn off this toggle button for sound and then wait for 5 seconds and then turn it on again. And now you get to check if this solves your issue, and that is basically how you can fix iPhone keyboard sound too loud. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.